Mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be ignited. This is exactly what Studi.Live does. Studi.Live is an on-demand digital platform built with simple language and engaging contents for IIT-JEE, NEET, and state CET preparation, keeping in mind what the students need to succeed in highly competitive exams. Entire preparation for the entrance exams is planned and designed as per individual students' needs, pace, and knowledge level. Studi.Live offers HD videos, reference books, unlimited tests, analytical reports, academic games, discussion forums, Wiki, chat, and 24/7 support. Our high-quality videos recorded on Lightboard feels like classroom learning. Studi.Live offers online and live lectures every week. Studi.Live provides quick revision videos for every chapter. These revisions refresh the entire chapter in less than 45 minutes. Blogs, discussion forum, chat. We have built-in mind-relaxing academic games in every chapter. Studi.Live encourages experimental learning as envisaged in the new education policy of 2020. Omni-channel, anywhere and anytime learning. Connect with us on our social media or email us at support@studi.live. Be a focused ninja. Join Studi.Live.